In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the background in CapCut. So to go and remove the background of a video, we first need to create a new project, and then you just want to go and import the video that you want to remove the background from. So I'll be removing the background from this video here, and then we can simply drag the video into our timeline. Now to go and get rid of the background, just select your video clip in the timeline like so. In the top right hand side, click on the video tab and then select the option to remove BG. You can then press auto removal and that should automatically cut out the background of your video. Now, if this isn't perfect, you can always use the custom removal instead, and then you can use these brushes to go and brush out the part that you want to remove. Now, once you've cut out the background like this, you may want to use something else as the background. Now, to do this, you can just go and import either a video or a picture that you want to use as the background, and then what you need to do is make sure the video is on the very top layer like this, and as you can see, we now have replaced the background with another image. So it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.